how to find permissions settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find permissions settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then click permissions. uh, Here you will find permissions. You can manage here like add preferences, location, and that's how to find permissions settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.